ब्यूटीफुल सोल्स, कैसे हो आप सब लोग। तो चलिए, एक और हफ्ता आने वाला है और ये हफ्ता स्पेशल है इसलिए क्योंकि एक नया महीना आने वाला है, दैट इज जून इज कमिंग एंड दिस इज द फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जून मंथ। सो लेट्स सी कि क्या गाइडेंसेस इस वीक में आपको कार्ड्स देना चाह रहे हैं। दैट इज हॉरोस्कोप फ्रॉम 1st to 7th ऑफ जून एज पर योर मून साइन। घबराइए मत, अगर आपको मून साइन नहीं पता है तो आप ये वेस्टर्न ज़ोडिएक के हिसाब से भी देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए देखते हैं कि ये हफ्ता आपके लिए कैसा रहेगा, आपको क्या गाइडेंस टैरो कार्ड्स देना चाहते हैं। ऑल्सो मैं टाइमलाइन डिस्क्रिप्शन में सारे ज़ोडिएक साइंस का दे दूंगी, आप अपना ज़ोडिएक साइन जाके देख सकते हैं। फॉर एनी पर्सनलाइज असिस्टेंस मैं अपने सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स भी पोस्ट कर दूंगी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, तो आप वहाँ से भी मुझे रीच आउट कर सकते हैं। लेकिन उससे स्टार्टिंग करने से पहले अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन सो दैट आपको कोई भी न्यू वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहेगा। और ये वीडियो अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली के साथ शेयर कीजिए ताकि वो भी गाइडेंसेस इंजॉय कर सकें और अपना वीक प्लान कर सकें। तो चलिए देखते हैं कि क्या गाइडेंसेस कार्ड्स आपको दे रहे हैं, कैसा रहेगा आपका ये हफ्ता। तो पहला ज़ोडिएक साइन है एरीज। तो लेट मी सी क्या कार्ड आया है एरीज के लिए। ओके, सो एरीज फॉर यू द कार्ड इज किंग ऑफ स्प्रिंग, विच मीन्स इस वीक आप बहुत ही ज़्यादा इनोवेटिव होगे, वाइज होगे, डिसीजंस वाइसली लोगे, लोग आपसे इंस्पायर्ड होंगे। यू विल बी एन इंस्पायरिंग leader for your team members, for your colleagues. So you will be a very positive and innovative person. So there might be a financial windfall, आपको पैसे की बारिश हो सकती है। मे बी आपने कोई एफडी कराई होगी, वो मिच्योर हो सकती है, या आपने किसी को पैसा दिया होगा वो आपको वापस मिल सकता है। if your money is stuck last week, this week definitely you will get back your money. So there is a financial windfall. Your leadership skills are needed now, so your leadership skills are needed to take any decision for your team members, for yourself. So definitely this week your leadership is required. Also आप कोई कॉज कर रहे हैं, कोई एनजीओ से जुड़े हुए हैं या कोई भी स्पेशल कॉज कर रहे हैं तो आपको अनएक्सपेक्टेड सपोर्टर मिलेगा। हो सकता है आपने किसी की हेल्थ के लिए फिनेंस इकट्ठा करने के लिए, कोई सर्जरी के लिए, किसी भी कॉज के लिए आपने कुछ बनाया होगा, उसके लिए आपको अनएक्सपेक्टेड सपोर्टर मिल सकता है। सो ऑल द बेस्ट एरीज। चलिए नेक्स्ट ज़ोडिएक साइन टॉरस, देखते हैं वृषभ राशि के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है। ओके, सो टॉरस फॉर यू द कार्ड इज 10 ऑफ ऑटम, विच मीन्स this week you might be taking steps for financial security, for your loved ones, for your long term plan, for your retirement. So you will be taking steps for ensuring financial security and safety for your loved ones. Also this week you will be making investments for your long term future retirement. So you will discuss and make wise investments. Along with that you will be honoring your family tradition. आप अपने फैमिली ट्रेडिशन की रिस्पेक्ट करोगे, उसको फॉलो करोगे, एंड यू विल बी ensuring that it will happen in a very appropriate way. So all the best Taurus. चलिए नेक्स्ट ज़ोडिएक साइन पे चलते हैं, दैट इज जेमिनाई, मिथुन राशि। सो ये महीना जेमिनाई के लिए है, तो आप लोग ज़रूर शाइन करेंगे। सो लेट्स सी कि क्या कार्ड आया है जेमिनाई के लिए। ओके, सो जेमिनाई आपके लिए कार्ड आया है 5 ऑफ ऑटम, विच मीन्स you have to reach out to others for assistance if you are facing any financial challenges, money issues, कुछ unexpected expenses आ गया and you are facing financial crisis. Don't feel disheartened or don't have that ego that आपको किसी से मदद नहीं मांगनी है. So it's time to leave your ego and move out to seek assistance from others if there is an emergency need. Also, this is not the right time for a career change. Hold on to it, stick to wherever you are, improve your skills, and when the right time comes, then you can look for a career change. This week it is not the right time for you. You might face disappointments if you go out and find new career opportunities, new change. So be careful not to disappoint yourself. Is always better to stay away till the right time comes for a career change. So all the best, Gemini. चलिए नेक्स्ट जोडियक कैंसर, कर्क राशि के लिए देखते हैं क्या गाइडेंस है. ओके, सो कैंसर आपके लिए कार्ड आया है एस ऑफ ऑटम. सो एस ऑफ ऑटम ये कह रहा है, द एस ऑफ ऑटम इज कहिंग कि आपको देयर इज विंडफॉल ऑफ मनी, एडवाइस और असिस्टेंस फ्रॉम अदर्स. तो अगर आपको मनी की ज़रूरत है, योर मनी हैज़ बीन स्टक, सो डेफिनेटली देयर विल बी अ विंडफॉल ऑफ मनी. अगर आपको किसी चीज़ की एडवाइस की ज़रूरत है, यू विल ईजिली फाइंड पीपल टू गिव यू एडवाइस, whether it is career advice or any advice you are seeking for. There will be windfall of people who will be going to give you advice. और अगर आपको किसी से assistance की ज़रूरत है, that will also be in abundance, so make use of it. Also there will be a successful project which you will be starting, or your project will be successful which you are currently doing. There is a good time for career change for Cancer. If you are looking for a career change, this is the happy times for career change. Definitely you will get what you are looking for. So all the best, Cancer. चलिए नेक्स्ट ज़ोडिएक साइन पे चलते हैं, दैट इज लियो. सिंह राशि वालों के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है, चलिए देखते हैं. ओके, सो फॉर लियो वी हैव द कार्ड किंग ऑफ विंटर. तो वो ये कह रहा है कि इस वीक आप बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस्ड एंड नॉलेजेबल हो. आप if somebody is seeking advice related to career or any logical advice, you are there for them to give the right decision, right advice, because you are very knowledgeable and very experienced, and you are fair in giving the advice. You are very focused towards your career, you are very fair, and it is a good time for public speaking. You will be thinking from your mind rather than from your heart. You are very professional and you are able to help someone professionally. But on the emotional front, you are unemotional. You are not focusing on relationships at present. You are more focused on your career, and it is good for people who are motivator or public speaking. So all the best, Leo. चलिए नेक्स्ट जोडियक वर्गो. सो लेट्स सी कन्या राशि वालों के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है. ओके, सो वर्गो आपके लिए जो कार्ड आया है वो है थ्री ऑफ विंटर. वो ये कह रहा है कि यू हैव रिसेंटली फेस डिसअपॉइंटमेंट्स, चैलेंजेस, things were not as per your expectations, or you had a heartbreak. Someone has ditched you, you were emotionally connected with that person. So during this situation you need to reach out to others for comfort and love. Don't stay alone, otherwise you will land into depression. It is the time to reach out to others for comfort and love. Those who are close to you, those who care for you, please reach out to others for comfort and love. Also this situation will make you grow stronger, and slowly you will heal with time. So whatever disappointment, whatever sadness currently you are going through, that will heal with time. But for that you need to reach out to others for love and comfort, for emotional connect. Definitely you need somebody in your life. Maybe it can be your mother, father, friends, whosoever you are very close with. It is very important to reach out to them for comfort and love. So all the best, Virgo. चलिए नेक्स्ट ज़ोडिएक साइन लिब्रा. लिब्रा की गाइडेंस क्या है, क्या कार्ड है, लेट मी सी. ओके, सो लिब्रा आपके लिए कार्ड आया है प्रिंसेस ऑफ ऑटम, विच मीन्स दिस वीक यू आर वेरी, if you are a student, you are very studious, you are very responsible towards your work, towards your career, you are very cheerful, you know, when you come, whether in office or whether in your home, whether with you are with your friends, you're very cheerful, people feel motivated when they are with you. So if you are looking for a career change, or if you are looking for a promotion or salary increment, there is this week a happy news for you, so be happy, wait for the happy news. Also, if you are a student and you want to go abroad for higher studies, definitely you will get scholarship this week. Also, you should have a well thought plan that will go perfectly with you, so that you are successful. So it is advisable to have a well thought out plan that will go perfectly and that will help you to reach out to your goals and be successful. For that you need a little push to get going. आप अगर you know 15 मिनट का कुछ काम कर रहे हो तो 20 मिनट, little push is required to get going in life. So all the best Libra. चलिए let us move on towards स्कॉर्पियो, वृश्चिक राशि के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है. ओके स्कॉर्पियो, आपके लिए जो कार्ड आया है वो है 8 of Summer. आई थिंक it is coming more often to you because this card is guiding you that it is the time to move on in life. Don't hold on things which are not serving you any purpose, which is only giving you pain and discomfort. You have put in your lot of efforts to change that situation or circumstances or person, but it is not changing, so it is the time to move on. It is the time to find more meaningful life. You have to make major life changes in your life this week. I know it is difficult, but you have to realize that it's the time to move on. It is the time to find for a more meaningful life. It is coming again and again for you is because it's high time you have to make the changes. It is the high time to go for more meaningful life. Leave behind things which are not serving any purpose. Don't feel regret, don't feel guilty, just move on. You have done your best, it's not changing, so it's the time to move on. All the best Scorpio. Chaliye, let us move ahead to Sagittarius. Let's see the guidance. Okay, Sagittarians, for you the card is 7 of Winter, which means you are running from the truth, which is not good. Some things are not meant for you. There are better choices, but you are not seeing the best choice because you are running away from the truth. You are holding that will come back to you or that will meant for you. No, you are not seeing the things clearly. This is not the better choice. There are better choices available. You have to understand the truth and don't run away from the truth. Face it and find the better opportunity. All the best Sagittarians. चलिए नेक्स्ट zodiac sign Capricorn. Let's see what is the guidance card for Capricorns. Okay, Capricorns, for you the card is 9 of Winter, which means there are unfounded fear which is causing you difficulty, which is causing you not to move forward. You are holding on past fears. Just learn from them and move on. Don't focus on worst case, focus on good things and don't allow worry to grow in your life, which might cause more problems. So it is the time for move on. It is the time to find out better prospect. Don't have unfounded fear, don't feel feared, just learn from it and move on. All the best Capricorn. Let's move on to the next zodiac sign Aquarius. Let's see the guidance. Okay, Aquarius, for you the card is 10 of Summer, which means this is a very emotional and fulfilling week for you. You will be spending time with your family and friends, you will call them, you will talk to them, and you will have an emotional fulfilling experience. Also, if you have children, you will be raising them wisely. And if you want to talk to somebody, or if you want to start something, or if want to have a good relation, you will have people whom you can trust. You can talk to them. There will be people around you whom you can trust, whom with you can share your feelings, with whom you can talk. So all the best, Aquarius. Let's understand the last zodiac, Pisces. Okay, Pisces, for you the card is High Priestess, which means if you are seeking any solutions, if you want to take any decisions in life, trust your intuition. Carefully reflect before taking any action. So whatever you are thinking about, whatever decisions you want to take, carefully reflect, look within yourself, and then take action. Good insight, good answers, good solutions comes through meditation. So just meditate, look within yourself, trust your intuitions, and definitely you will get the right answer. So, all the best, Pisces. Thank you everyone for watching the weekly horoscope. I hope these weekly guidances will help you to move ahead to the right path. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a great week ahead.